Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and we have got an awesome video for you here today. This is on two-way tape. This is the thinnest, strongest two-way tape you'll ever use. And this kit that I'm sharing with you right here is extremely compact, extremely sharp. Matter of fact, I believe they're sharper than X-Acto blades, but it will do a heck of a job for you. Now, we're not being paid to share any of this. I'm just here to help you do projects. Now, you can use this process on anything you want to stick something somewhere. It's waterproof. You can put it in the shower. You can whatever. It doesn't matter. Now, this emblem is going on a car, and so I need to put the two-way tape on it. But first thing I'm going to do is say, hey, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Now, what you want to do anytime you use two-way tape is make sure the back side is extremely flush and there's no raised areas. And, of course, this is a casted item, so there's a burr around the whole outer edge of it. So we have to go around the whole outer edge of it. And the Dremel does a beautiful job with that. So I'm going to go around and remove all that so this will set perfectly flat. Very easy to do. And it's actually fun. It does take a little bit of patience. But if you do it right, it'll stick wherever you wanted to stick it. And I use the cutoff wheel on this because for me it works a lot better. I love the cutoff wheels on these Dremels. So I'm feeling for any burrs that may be anywhere. It's nice and flush. Beautiful. Now, it's time to pull out a blade. We're going to use the cutback blade, which is a much smaller blade for getting into tight areas. And the tool is really easy to use. And again, we're not being paid to share any of this. We're just sharing with you the tools that we love and that we use. And you can always trust us to share the best. And again, this two-way tape is very, 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 very sticky. And it's waterproof. And I wanted it wide instead of running strips. I wanted one that was wide enough to cover 95% of the back side of this. And then you just press it down and make sure the area you're doing it in is warm. I mean, you don't want to do this out in the middle of the Antarctic. So all I'm going to do is basically trace around, and I'll speed it up for you so you don't have to sit here and, you know, be bored out of your mind. But it's very interesting. Now we're getting busy. And it'll get in the tightest areas. So if you have something that you're doing, trying to stick something somewhere, this tape will do you right. And it's not thick, it's very thin, so your item will sit almost flush. And I'll take a picture and show you where this actually went so you can see. That it worked out really well. So then you can come in on the back side and cut out as well. We have a few samples of our lubricant left, so if you want a free sample, just email us and we'll get you out one. No ulterior motives, we're just sending it out. Oh, changing my music. It's coming along, it's coming together good. And the blade stayed sharp. I didn't have to do anything with it. It's looking beautiful. Mr. Know-It-All out.